What do you think?
That's sick, dude. You got to try that mode.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
You looked way comfortable on it.
You can corner so easy. You don't have to worry about shifting or clutch.
Well, I know I stuffed it in the corner over here on my run and tucked the front, and I was like, oh shoot, I gotta pull the clutch. No, wait, I don't.
So we're at 40 horse, 20.
Yeah.
I could not imagine 80. Couldn't even imagine it. And this is like sand.
Yeah, this is pretty soft right now.
This thing is so sweet. Suspension's great. Brakes are good.